Ready to turn your passion for online content into cash by promoting your favorite eBay finds? Joining the eBay Partner Network, or EPN, is your gateway to making money through affiliate marketing. And it's simpler than you might think. First things first. Head over to the eBay Partner Network website. You'll want to look for the Join Now or Sign Up button, usually prominently displayed. Clicking that will take you to the application. You'll need to provide some basic personal details like your name and email address, and importantly, information about your platform. This could be your website, blog, social media channels, or even an app. Be honest and thorough here, as eBay wants to understand where you'll be promoting their products. Once your application is received, eBay will review it while you wait. It's a great time to familiarize yourself with their commission structure generally. EPN offers commissions on sales generated through your unique affiliate links. These rates can vary depending on the product category, so understanding what earns the most can be a smart strategy. After approval, you'll gain access to your EPN dashboard. This is where the magic happens. You'll find a treasure trove of marketing tools, including customized banners, text links, and product feeds. These are designed to help you seamlessly integrate eBay product promotions into your content. To effectively monetize your online influence, strategically place these links within your content. Think product reviews, buying guides, or even casual mentions of items you love. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase on eBay, you earn a commission. The key is authenticity. Promote products you genuinely use and recommend, and your audience will trust your suggestions, leading to more clicks and ultimately more earnings. It's a win-win for you, your audience, and eBay. Start building your affiliate income today.